Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jade Shepherd. Thank you so much for watching this video and critiquing my work. I really appreciate this class and everything that I've learned. So this is my Art Institute of Chicago API project. When you are on the first page, it basically will show you this, and this is how it will start. I have my code here on the side as well, just to kind of go hand in hand. But we'll kind of like scoot on over. So at the top, I've added two main navigation buttons, and that is going to let the user switch between artworks and exhibitions. So these are my two endpoints, which is here. And then basically when you click on show exhibitions, it will load that data, and you'll see the page basically dynamically reload with the exhibition information. These cards have a little bit of a slightly lighter background just to kind of showcase that these are two separate categories visually, and then while keeping the same dark theme. I didn't really want to change it too much, but I wanted it to just be this kind of dark, elegant theme across the entire site, and so that's what I did there. I did also add some glow in here as well, and then I used fetch method to basically pull live data from the API and just display it dynamically in the DOM. So you'll see how I work through that here. You'll see the artworks load up just so we can see that again. So outside of that, I've also added some styling, and that was created with the CSS. And so I tried to get a little bit better about actually adding in my notes and things like that in here and just breaking it down. So we've got our global styles, we've got our buttons here, and then we've got like our artwork and exhibition sections. We've got our stylings down in here, and then we've got our responsive aspects there. And so we'll just kind of get into the responsivity of the design. Let me just go ahead and open up this. So you'll see here, this is like on iPhone SE. You'll notice that this is how the responsiveness works. And then if we go to like an iPad, you're gonna get this layout here. And then if we go a little bit bigger, you'll get this, and it just kind of will open up fully the more open we go with that. Outside of that, the most challenging part for me was really working with API data, I think, figuring out which properties were available, how to handle the missing values like unknown artist and things like that, which I'll also kind of just like touch on in here, because I did add in some things on the case that, like, you know, the artist wasn't able to be shown. We've got artist unknown in here, and then if the gallery is unknown, we've got gallery unknown for the exhibitions and things like that, or no description available if there's a description. So just being able to add those things in was a little bit of a challenge. The part that I enjoyed the most was seeing everything come together visually, from just the colors and everything like that, the typography to the layout that really gives that modern museum mystical dark vibe. Overall, this project helped me strengthen my skills in JavaScript, CSS, and API integration while having fun, just kind of designing something creative and just artistic. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll do the next one now.